Hello guys, good morning. Today is my first vlog, so I just try. I don't know what I going to do first, but I try it. Maybe if I try always, I know how to do edit in this YouTube. So today, we're going to do is to make Kabsa chicken. Not to Now I'm here in Saudi Arabia. So I am OFW. I'm working here at home and I do cooking, cleaning in the house of my boss. So hope you like it. Some tips to make a kabsa chicken. If there is a kid they don't want to eat vegetable, you need to blend the vegetable. So I prepare now tomato, carrots, and potato. And then now I prepare the chicken. I will cut it. I wash properly. And then I prepare now garlic and onion. So after this, we will cook the chicken and we wash properly first. So just wait for a while. So pagpasensyahan nyo na po, first day of my vlog this.